Ode to the Moon. Lucilla Luna, she doesn't spin. She pulls the tides and stops to stare, sometimes to poets and lovers on her journey. She sends squaddy starships down to observe more closely. They stare from a safe distance. Her pure white light is absorbed through putrid apocalyptic orange-grey sky. On dark nights it has power to awaken. Pull us, my lady, I feel you in my womb and mind, ebb and flow, fast and slow, small on cold nights, refracted huge in summer. Autumn is your holy days, harvest moon, when fruits are ripe and seeds are flying, grains ripen to cut, fill your cup. But only the oceans and seas and lakes deep know your soul and can lay it out bare, reflecting your face always to us.